I built this empire from the ground up, no blueprint, just ambition and grit. They talking about success, they don't know the price of the hustle. I'm the king of my domain, no crown needed, just respect. Every scar on my body tells a story. Every tear was a lesson learned. You can't fake the grind, you can't fake the pain. This is what it takes to rise above the noise. I'm the storm that breaks the silence. I'm the fire that lights the night. You can run, but you can't hide from the truth. I'm the reason legends are born, not just another name. I came from the bottom, now I'm reaching for the stars. My dreams ain't getting old, they're just getting clearer. I see the world through different eyes. I see the struggle in everyone's disguise. I'm not here to judge, I'm here to show you how it's done, yeah. Sometimes the road gets dark, but the light is always near. We all fall down sometimes, but we keep on climbing higher.